My name is Andriana Nickerson. I was here today to get a teeth cleaning. My hygienist is a very tender, good hygienist. She really cares about what she's doing and she takes her time, and I don't feel nervous. I get anxiety when I'm not here to come in, but I make myself come in because I know I'll be taken care of well.
What would you say to other people out there that are too afraid to go to the dentist? What would you tell them?
Try to fight through it. It's not bad to call in and maybe cancel an appointment here or there, but try to just figure out why you're doing it. I'm noticing now if I make an early appointment, like at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the morning, I don't have time to get anxious, because if I sit there all day and I have an appointment later on, I call in. So I think it's better to do what you feel is right for you, but try to get through it. The people here are very nice. It's a very nice atmosphere. Everybody's very good here. I feel very comfortable, yes.